Hello YouTube. Last time we completed chapter 2 of the Linux from Scratch book, and today we're going to be doing chapter 3. This is going to be completely blind. I haven't read any of this yet. So what I'll be seeing is exactly what you'll be seeing. So let's just click on the introduction to begin with. And straight away, we've got the intro here. So this chapter includes a list of packages that need to be downloaded in order to build a basic Linux system. The listed version numbers correspond to versions of the software that are known to work, and this book is based on their use. We highly recommend against using different versions because the build commands for one version may not work with a different version unless the different version is specified by an LFS erratum or a security advisory. I can't say that word. The newest package versions may also have problems that require workarounds. These workarounds will be developed and stabilized in the development version of the book. Okay, that's fine. For some versions, the release tarball and the Git SVN repository snapshot tarball for that release may be published with a similar or even identical file names. But the release tarball may contain some files which are essential despite not being stored in a repository. For example, a configure script generated by autoconf. Okay. In addition to the contents of the corresponding repository snapshots, the book uses release tarballs wherever possible. Using a repository snapshot instead of a release tarball specified in the book will cause problems. So they're basically saying here that don't use any different versions. Use exactly what we tell us. Download locations might not always be accessible. If download location has changed, the book was published. Go to provide these searches for most packages. In this search, it's unsuccessful. Try one of the alternative means of downloading. So this is basically say try the mirror, Google it, or try the mirrors. So this book is going to be, these books can't assume that you're going to use your brain. It's just not a list of instructions. Downloaded packages and patches will also be stored somewhere that is conveniently available through the entire build. A working directory is also required to unpack the sources and build them. LFS, the $LFS sources can be used both as the place to store the tarballs and patches and as a working directory. By using this directory, the required elements will be located on the LFS partition and will be available during all stages of the build process. So it looks like we're going to make this directory, and I can always see down here. To create this directory, execute the following command as the user root before starting the download session. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So we're just making this sources directory by the looks of it. Created mount. Okay, that's fine. That looks exactly what I would expect. So all we've done there is created the LFS sources. And then it says make this directory writable sticky. Sticky means that even if multiple users have the right permission on a directory, only the owner of the file can delete the file within a sticky directory. The following command will enable and write sticky modes. Okay. Let's just copy that. Right, so that's worked. See, that's worked there. Okay, that's good. Right, now we are actually going to be downloading some packages. There are several ways to obtain all necessary packages and patches to the build LFS. Files can be downloaded individually described in the next two sections. I don't fancy doing that. For a stable version of the book, the tarball of all the needed files can be downloaded from one of the mirror sites listed. Okay. The files can be downloaded using wget and the wget list as described below. Right, so we're going to do this version, this method, because I don't want to have to do all this manually. It's just a waste of time. So to download all of the packages and patches by using wget list sysv, right? So what's this? This is just a list of, this is a file or URL that has a list of URLs packages. So these are just all the download locations. Okay. To download, so it's wget input, blah, 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 continue. So does it want me to download this? So just so what was it? So it's input file. I can't type. So it's, and that equals LFS. Right, so this is going to be downloading all the packages. I would imagine this would take a good few minutes. While that's going on, read the next section so we're not wasting too much time. All right, so let's just download this. Just call these MD5 sums. What we're going to do, we're going to copy that. And I think let's see. The mount LFS. Oh look, loads more in here. Right. Might have to change the ownership of that, but running everything as root, so I don't think it will actually matter. So let's just close that. And we're on TCL. So how far are we through roughly? So TCL. We're almost there, so we'll just wait for this to go through. Oh, we're finished by the looks of it. So, okay. And we'll run the MD5 sources. So if we do, the system needs to be in the, place that file. Okay. So it's push the LFS. What does push D do? I don't have no idea. Push the. I'll look that up later. I'm not sure. This is a bash. Oh, okay. I think we just run it. Okay. So that's all good. And then the last part of this, it says if the packages and patches. So all that step that it did was just check the MD5 sums for each package so that we know the packages are what we expect. And then If the package is patchy, this last part I don't think is relevant because this is basically changing the usership as not root user. Now, I don't think they mean my MD sums. Let's just run this again. Let's just run this. I don't think it won't hurt to run it. All that does is just, if you ran this script, this download script, this wget script, well, command, download these packages as non-root user, you would have had to change the ownerships to root. We didn't really have to do that, but it won't hurt. Please read the security advisories for downloaded packages. Figure out a newer version of any packages should be. I don't care about that, to be honest, because this is a demo system. This is literally for my edification and for the viewers. So I think we're just going to skip that. And next. Right. So where did we just download these? What have I missed? It's the list of all our packages. Okay. Do I just put these in the sources directory? I don't know. Okay, well, we definitely need these, so let's just get this. Go cd lfs sources copy link address. So just going to get this. And this one. And this one. No, not cd, wget. Which one do we just do? Expect, glibc. So sure what to really do with these patches, I should say. Let's just get hold of them, and if we need them, I'm sure it'll probably tell us what to do. That's fine. And then we go on to the final prep. And this is chapter 4. So I don't want these videos to be too long. So I think we'll stop there. And hopefully I'll see everybody in the next video. And that'll be chapter 4, and that'll be the final preparations. So hopefully see you in the next video. Bye-bye.